I've got a towel for you.
Here goes nothing.
The benefits of arts in health and well-being in general are so important.
For a long time I sort of couldn't put my phone down and stop engaging with people who were just out there to abuse me, essentially.
We just want men to realise that they're not alone.
Great. Hold it there.
It's also looks sad.
It's all about pulling each other up.
I think you need like these little hacks, being in nature. Suzie, come this way. Come on, Mo.
Wait, it's got to be joyful. That's big help.
It is joyful.